Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do a screen replacement of the Lenovo Y40-80 80FA001CUS. We are going to be replacing the traditional TN screen with HD IPS display, which can be bought by laptopscreen.com. So first, we're going to take this plastic panel off. This is typically the part that I don't like doing. I tend to break these, but this one seems to come off pretty easily. I think that's the first time I didn't break one. Alright, so next, looks like we just have 4 screws. You can see them here. This is just a standard Phillips screwdriver. I usually like these small ones. One, two, three, four. Okay, now this should just pull right back, which it does, and just gently place it down on your keyboard. Next, there's a piece of tape right here. This is just holding in the connection between the screen and the motherboard. So you can go ahead and take that piece of tape up. And then just pull back very gently and it'll slide right out. So this is the old display. This can go over to the side. Alright, next you can take your new display. Again, just do the reverse of what you just performed. Put that down on the keyboard. This should slide right in. Sometimes it's a little difficult to line up, but when you get it, you'll get a click and it'll look oops. My glove's getting caught in the way here. So it looks like we're in. Got a nice satisfying click. Seal that right up. Put that back. Put that up here. So I'm going to go ahead and test the laptop real quick before I start screwing things back in. And it looks like we have a nice, beautiful display. This new display is very vivid, very colorful. I still have the protective cover on. I'll take that off after I screw it back in. But everything looks okay. So I'm going to go ahead and shut that off now. Okay, now that we're powered off, I'm going to go ahead and put the screws back in. Alright, so sometimes it's a little easier to get the screws in if you push the laptop screen back. You don't need to over tighten the screws, just finger tightness is good enough. Okay. And screw number 3. And finally, screw number 4. Alright, now that I have all the screws in, I'm going to go ahead and take the protective covering off the screen. Back nice and easily, put it aside. Now all you have to do is put this back on your screen. I usually try to go the opposite way that I took it off. There we go. Does not appear that I missed any. Wait, there we go. Okay, now that this appears to be clicked back on, I'm just going to take a quick look, make sure it's sealed all around, which it is. It does feel like one side's still up, but it's not a big deal. I can go back and find what might be sticking up later. And that's it. We now have a nice glossy 1080p IPS display on here. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Well, thank you.